Hello guys, today I would like to show you an extremely good improvement for the Yaesu FT-817 in terms of power supply. So this is a very universal radio in terms of the powering in field. You can use different kind of the power banks. You can use even a AGM battery, which are very inexpensive, but the problem is they are heavy and bulky, so you can hook up an external lithium-ion or lithium polymer battery. But there was a big problem because I couldn't find anything that will improve the internal battery. So it was hard to find like an off-shelf product that you can just buy, put, and have a big improvement. And I managed to find it actually. I think it's not that common because I just saw a couple videos on the YouTube, so it's not something very popular and very known. So that's why I'm making that video. And this is a lithium polymer battery that was designed specially for the Yaesu, and it will fit the Yaesu FT-817 and the ND, because I was a little bit afraid, but the dimension of the battery compartment shouldn't change. So yes, it does work, it does fit. And the company make also a second very important thing, which is in the bundle, and it's a charging hatch, and it replaces your old hatch and give you a connection point, the DC input, which is used with a charger that is dedicated for the lithium-ion battery, lithium polymer, sorry. And that's how it looks like. So we just have a DC input. We've got like a pass-through. Over there we connect our battery. We've got our charging port. We've got a switch that will cut the power from the radio, and we've got that connector which is going to be used to connecting to the Yaesu motherboard. So let's try to make this working. And the very funny thing, we've got please tune off the radio power when charging, tune off. I'm pretty sure that should be a turn off, but we've got our Chinese friend to mix up. So that's how it looks like. And everything came in that very nice package. Just looks like a custom made for the size of the battery. So really nice feeling. Everything was sealed. We've got also a instruction. I think I'm going to show you. You can pause and read if you are interested. And the next side is a Chinese one. Okay, so let's put it into our Yaesu. And I did make a test. I was checking the capacity. I do not have scientific equipment, so I was using my charger. And I was able to get 2500 milliamp hours, but at the cut-off voltage of 9.4 volt, about that. So I'm pretty sure that if we go down to the 9 volts, which will be a 3 cells discharged to 3 volt, it's going to deliver that voltage. And the other good improvement, if you compare that to the nickel cadmium or nickel metal hydride, let me remove that, is that we not only get improvement in the term of the, let me unplug that tiny connector, we've got not only improvement in the capacity, as you can see, because that should be 1400 and we've got a 3000, which is almost double the capacity. Even if it wouldn't deliver the 3000, we've got a double capacity at least. And what is good, we've got a higher voltage, because that one is at the nominal 9.6 volt and that one is 11. So when the circuitry on the Yaesu is going to turn off, we can basically discharge this one to the absolutely zero when the protection inside kicks on. So that's a very good one. We should definitely get a longer lifespan. But enough talking, let's connect this. So first of all, we have to connect our battery into that board that's going to be in between of our charging and radio. So let's connect this. I'm just wondering, did I choose the good side or wrong? That time I choose the right one. That's just like on the USB, you always get the wrong side. And this is a cable that's going from the Yaesu motherboard, and we are going to connect it just like that. And now we have to make a room for this board, so I'm going to shift the battery, and we've got a nice place. And I'm going to try to tuck that cable. They have to check. No, that's a wrong place. Maybe there would be a better option. Okay, and it's done. Lock in place. And I can tell you right now that if you're going to sit like that, it's looking very professional. I think it's metal. That one, the genuine, was plastic. That one definitely feel like aluminum or other kind of metal. So looking very professional. And we've got we should turn it off for charging, and I would highly recommend you, in case of that device will fail. We do not want to burn our radio, because that would be unpleasant, and I'm pretty sure it will deliver a lot of noise. And also that will not full, but that will fool the charging circuitry, because that's the charging circuitry will deliver the constant voltage, and it will be triggered when the voltage will be set. So let's try to power it on. We've got an LED. And right now the LED is showing green, and if I'm going to hook it up, it turns red, and when it will be fully charged, when it will stop sinking the current, it will just turn back to green. So very simple, but give you an indication what's going on. Here you can see the details of the charging 2 amp. So that should charge quite quickly. But let's turn our radio on and let's see, will it say hello? And yes, it say hello. So that's how it looks like. We've got also a rubber feet. So as I told you, I was testing the capacity, and it's looking good, looking real, and I think I can definitely recommend you that, because that's quite amazing device. It's really amazing device with good improvement, double the capacity. Who wants more? So thank you very much for watching. See you next time, and bye bye.